Hi, I want to make this video for anyone going through probate, whether you're a family member or a personal representative or executor or executrix. This is for you. Sometimes my clients find it very difficult to get an update from the attorney. So if I was making $500 or more an hour, I would be quick on the phone and let you know what's going on. Sometimes attorneys get busy and they don't give you any updates as to what happened in court this morning, what you can expect for the next week to 2 weeks, etc. So I want to share with you how to find that information. Let's quickly Google probate Ventura court. Okay, so we are going to go to the County of Ventura probate, and you're going to need to set up your login. I already have mine set up, so we're going to skip this step, but this is where you would set up your login. You're going to go to case inquiry, and on this case, you're going to go to probate. Probate. So let's go to probate, then case access, case number search, or if you just don't have that and you have a name, you can go to name search. In this case, we're going to do case number search. And I have a preloaded case. So you're going to get a case, put your case in there, search. It's going to come up with the case here, and then hit the case number. So here you get to learn all the parties involved, who the attorneys are, who the proposed executors are, who the decedent is. You can learn future hearings, what to expect in the future. All hearings, this is a recording of every hearing. And then this, the register, is most important. You can start back at the bottom. And this is the original probate of wills and letters testamentary. This is where the petition is, and the petition starts everything, okay? And then you have a full case with all these hearings, and then the minute order takes you to the most recent filing, which was 8/20. Then you can go to future filings, which is going to be 10/15. So in case you're going through probate and you don't know what's going on and no one's being clear and letting you know what is happening with your case, this is where you, if you're an executor or personal representative or a beneficiary, this is where you can find out all the information here in Ventura. Let me know if you want me to do one for Santa Barbara, for LA County, for Malibu County. Each one has its own idiosyncrasies, and I'd be happy to help. And we can do one for each county in the state of California as well. Let me know. Drop a line if that would be helpful. Hope this is helpful. And my condolences for your loss if you're going through this. My job is to really help this become as smooth of a process as possible. So my question to anyone going through probate is, what headaches are you facing that you would like to delegate to me? Put it on my shoulders so this can be as smooth of a process for you. And I'd be appreciative of the opportunity to be of service. Thank you for the opportunity. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope it's been helpful. Let me know if I can do anything else with regards to your probate that would be helpful. Bye-bye.